Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to resize table in Publisher without losing formatting. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to resize table. This document, firstly insert a table. Go to the insert menu. Then click the table option and insert a table. Now we resize the table without losing formatting. Click this icon and move. Then we can see we resize the table without losing quality very easily. You can resize columns or rows or any cells. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.